Hey YouTube, I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm excited. This came in the mail a few days ago, but I can only do one unboxing at a time. This is my very first poured bar. I wanted to share it with you because I've never owned a poured bar other than, well, I have this turtle shell that when I first started making videos, a subscriber was kind enough to gift me. And this must be one of the early Jaeger poured silver. It's a 20-gram turtle shell. So this is my first poured silver, but I've never bought any. So this is awesome. Of course, my go-to source is on eBay. Two of my favorite things: motorcycles and dragons. So I wanted to bring out a special knife for this. And here we go. Let's see what we got here. I used my certificate. Open this and show the invoice is out of the way. Don't reveal any pertinent information. Okay, let's cut this bad boy open. And I want to thank everyone on my last video, the gold, pre-33 gold, all the comments that everyone left. It was awesome, and it was great having your feedback. Okay, so let me pull this invoice out first to make sure there's no special information. Got this from Quality Precious Metals on eBay. Quick. So I've never dealt in business with them before, so I don't know if they want their number and address out there. Maybe, maybe not, because this is a business card. And let's get to this right here. Packaged pretty well. Scratch it. This is okay. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. I'm going to take it out of the bag because I want to actually feel it. All right. Nice. This is 10 troy ounces for Monarch Precious Metals. 999 fine silver. I wonder how they get it to weigh exactly 10 ounces. They probably go a little over and then work some of it off. So yeah, my first poured bar. I notice in a lot of the channels that I subscribe to, a lot of people are pouring their own bars, which is cool. I've been learning a lot, watching some pours, some successful, some not so successful. But hey, it's all part of learning. I just want to compare this to what I usually stack, these flat bars. So yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking the toning on it. And it's pretty chunky. Now, as far as stacking them, that's why I never bought them, because as far as storage goes, I don't know how they'll stack on top of each other or if it's going to be a problem. But I wanted to have one, and I'm very happy about this bar. It's another 10 ounces to the stack. Oh yeah, and let me show you what I paid for it. Video's getting a little long here. I use my certificate, my eBucks came back so I could buy anything with it. At the time, this was $179.75. Use the eBay Bucks certificate, not the 10% or 15%. Those are the ones I earned over the quarter. So I ended up paying $119.16. That's just a little over, under $12 an ounce. So it can't go wrong. I'm dollar cost averaging, as I've said before, because I think I'm getting close to $19 an ounce for what I have in my stack. So I want to keep getting these deals and bringing my dollar cost average down. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this bar. I like it a lot now. I think I'm going to get some more. Now I see some channel bars that are pretty unique, so I'm going to have to check those out too. The premiums are a little bit higher, of course, but I get it. Time is money. So thanks again. Have a great weekend. Appreciate you watching.